Now, a semi-directional antenna, again, is trying to direct that signal in a specific direction. You might remember I made the example of this light pole, right, which, this pole out of the ground and then has a piece that hangs over and then has the light that shines down and covers a pretty good area, but it's certainly not omnidirectional. It's just trying to light up an area, like I said, of a parking lot or a road or something else, maybe the front of your house to try to deter crime. So it works pretty well, but it's not as focused as other types of antennas. But it does direct, as it says here, a signal in a specific direction. We can use it for short to medium distance communications. And when we talk about the medium distance, because of the directionality being put in here, remember, that was called the passive gain that we got, then we do pretty good at getting more coverage in a longer distance than if it was omnidirectional. Now, 3 different types of antennas that we'll talk about in this category are going to be patch, panel, and then the Yagi. And I know for all of you who ever had to string copper cable for a network, you're probably seeing patch panel like this place where you attach wires, and that's not exactly what we mean by that. But you'll see some examples of these different types of antennas.